Matthew 26, verse 1. Now it came to pass, when Jesus had finished all these sayings, that he said to his disciples, "You know that after 2 days is the Passover, and the Son of Man will be delivered up to be crucified." Then the chief priests, the scribes, and the elders of the people assembled at the palace of the high priest, who was called Caiaphas, and plotted to take Jesus by trickery and kill him. But they said, "Not during the feast, lest there be an uproar among the people." And when Jesus was in Bethany at the house of Simon the leper, a woman came to him, having an alabaster flask of very costly fragrant oil, and she poured it on his head as he sat at the table. But when his disciples saw it, they were indignant, saying, Why this waste? For this fragrant oil might have been sold for much and given to the poor." But when Jesus was aware of it, he said to them, "Why do you trouble the woman? For he has done a good work for me. For you have the poor with you always, but me you do not have always. For in pouring this fragrant oil on my body, she did it for my burial. Assuredly I say to you, wherever this gospel is preached and in the whole world, what this woman has done will also be told as a memorial to her." So, nababasa natin sa mga nakaraang chapter na si Jesus ay magiging judge sa katapusan ng mundo. At dito, sinasabi niya na sa kanyang disipulo na paparusahan muna siya, maghihirap at papatayin muna. So siya rin ang lamb that will take away the sin of the world. Pero siya rin ang tinuturo ng lumang tipan na fulfillment ng mga sacrifices sa mga hayop, at si Jesus ang namatay para sa ating mga kasalanan. At makikita rin natin na napakabuti na ating Panginoon, dahil kahit sa mga maliliit na bagay na tulad nitong pagbuhos ng pabango sa kanyang ulo, ay naalala niya to na sa mga disipulo niya hindi maganda ang tingin sa babaeng ito, pero sa kanya may halaga to. Kahit sa atin, pag tayo ay binaptize na babanggit natin, pinupuri natin siya sa kaligtasan. Kahit sa Lord's Supper na memorial, naalala natin ang ginawa niya sa krus, ay binibigyan na itong halaga. Kahit sa mga kapwa natin, sa mga kapatid natin na mga Kristiyano na nagkakagawa tayong mabuti, ay binibigyan niya ito ng halaga. At sa katapusan, sabi nga, may mga reward din naman makukuha. Kaya purihin natin ang Panginoon kahit sa araw na to, sa kabutihan niya sa atin.